Hey guys, if this is the first time you have seen me come across your feed, I just want to introduce myself and let you know my name is Michael. I'm a pastor. I teach faith based investors how to trade stocks and options for a monthly consistent income. And if you have seen me before, or if you're one of my followers, then you know I typically trade options and I run an entire community for those who want to learn how to do what I've been doing for over 15 years. And I can usually tell when I have like that orientation call or that consultation with people who are interested in joining my community. I can usually tell from that one conversation who is going to do well in trading options and who is going to struggle when they trade options. And it usually comes down to one single question that very often happens early on in the conversation. So, what is that question? Well, the group that tends to struggle trading options, whether they have experience with it or whether they are brand new to options, the first question or one of the first questions that that group is going to ask is, how much money can I make with this? And it's a fair question, and it's a question you want to have answered for sure. Uh, but the other group, the group that I have seen do really well in trading options, they ask a very different question. The question they ask is, how much am I risking? You might think those are kind of the same thing or two sides of the same coin, and in a sense, maybe they are. But the mindset behind that is very different. There's a mindset shift that happens between those who excel in this line of work and those who don't. And it's that though the thing that separates consistent traders from struggling traders is the difference in that question of thinking about your risk ahead of thinking about your potential profits. That's when everything changes. You stop chasing trades, you stop dreaming about those big wins, and you start managing risk instead. That's when trading begins looking a whole lot less like gambling and more like disciplined investing or running your own business. And that's that mindset shift to risk first is oftentimes what allows faith-based investors to approach the markets with confidence because they're not chasing money, they're not chasing big wins, they're simply stewarding capital wisely. Now if you want to learn the framework that I teach, and I can help you learn how to do this well and put risk first, then simply put risk in the comments below, and I would love to send you some completely free information, no hooks attached to it whatsoever. Just want to show you the system that I use and see if it might be the right fit for you.